home is your sanctuary. Preventing water damage is essential to maintaining its integrity. Hi, I'm Cooper from Golden Rule. Today, let's explore effective ways to keep your haven safe from water-related issues. Inspect and maintain gutters. Keep gutters clean and functional to divert water away from your home. Roof care. Regularly inspect your roof for leaks and damaged shingles, addressing issues promptly. Seal windows and doors. Ensure tight seals to prevent water infiltration. Proper landscaping. Adjust your yard slope to direct rainwater away from the foundation. Your home's foundation is crucial. Optimal drainage. Install downspout extensions and French drains to protect the foundation. Crack sealing. Regularly inspect for cracks and seal them to prevent water penetration. Sump pump. Consider a sump pump to manage groundwater and prevent basement flooding. Protecting walls involves both exterior and interior measures. Exterior waterproofing. Apply waterproof coatings to exterior walls for moisture resistance. Interior sealants. Use waterproof paint or sealants in basements to prevent moisture infiltration. Ventilation. Ensure proper ventilation in humidity-prone areas to prevent mold growth. Regular inspections. Keep an eye out for signs of water damage and address them promptly. In conclusion, safeguarding your home from water damage is a proactive effort that preserves your sanctuary. Regular maintenance, proper drainage, and timely repairs are key to maintaining your home's foundation, walls, and structural integrity. Remember, it's not just an investment, it's the peace of mind that your home is resilient against the challenges of water. Thanks for tuning in.